How are cameras and AI replacing traditional diagnostics in digital pathology? It's been a few years since traditional diagnostics hit a brick wall in the world of digital pathology. So, what's the biggest reason for this, besides the obvious evolution of embedded vision technology? Well, it's the fact that clinical caregiving demands have gone through the roof in recent times, and medical diagnostics have a lot of catching up to do. In this video, you'll see why this has propelled artificial intelligence into being such a trailblazer in medical diagnostics, helping improve clinical caregiving as a whole. Now, let's take the case of modern clinical practice. On the one side, no patient is willing to wait or tolerate a time-consuming diagnostic process that is unpredictable in terms of accuracy. But on the other side, there is a severe shortage of pathologists all over the world. Just how short? Imagine this, just one pathologist for every million people. This is where camera modules and edge AI unite to enhance pathological procedures. However, thanks to the advancements in camera technology, it has become easy to produce digitized images at microscopic resolution. This has gone a long way to simplify and accelerate the medical diagnostic lifecycle. Some of the digital imaging workflows include segmentation, detection, classification, quantification, and grading. In particular, image classification has been very critical, as it enables devices to detect cells or nuclei with deep learning techniques. For instance, it has leveraged deep convolutional neural networks for better tumor classification and segmentation, mutation classification, and outcome prediction. So now, let's ask ourselves this bombshell of a question. In the future, will artificial intelligence replace the need for a human pathologist? Well, that is definitely unlikely. But a pathologist with AI training will surely replace a pathologist without AI training. We hope this gave you a quick and concise idea of how AI-powered cameras are replacing traditional diagnostics in digital pathology. As always, if you need any help whatsoever at integrating camera modules and edge AI solutions into your vision-based medical diagnostic devices, we are just an email away. Write to us at camerasolutions@econsystems.com